Meet Lucy. Lucy is an online retailer and her business is growing fast. Lucy sells her products on eBay, Amazon, and through her own website as well. She gets a lot of orders each day, but managing these is a tough task. Lucy has to spend a lot of time logging in and out of her sales channels and courier accounts to manage stock, print shipping labels, and keep all records up to date. The whole process of packing orders and updating stock just takes too long, and she cannot focus on her prime business areas. Despatch Cloud has a solution for Lucy and all online retailers. With Despatch Cloud, you can manage stock, pack orders, print shipping labels, and update your sales channels in a fraction of the time. With Despatch Cloud, Lucy can dispatch an order from start to finish in 60 seconds or less, allowing Lucy to save time and money. With Despatch Cloud, you could do the same. Start saving time and money today and get unlimited email, phone, and live chat support.